Hey guys, from the Thoughtful Gardener. Well, I wanted to follow up on the damage on my kohlrabies and what we're doing to try to resolve that. You can see here all of the things that showed up on the potato last night, so definitely this is a great way to figure out who is doing damage in your garden. Here's my second potato, and there you go. We've had a lot of rain this year, so it's rainiest since 1871. There you go. And it was a slug party last night at the beer trap, and you can see lots and lots of visitors. So anyway, we will dispose of all these guys, and hopefully the attacks on my kohlrabies will be less and they will start looking a little better. Hope you are doing well. Garden thoughtfully and take care.